Hi friends, I am Girish Ketty from Sri KV English School, ICSE, CVV Campus, Chikbalapur. Life is a journey, not a destination. A worthy life is a journey of adventure, discovery, and service to others. The destination of a person is decided by his destiny. First and foremost, I thank God Almighty for providing me the opportunity to serve in this blessed land under our beloved chairman Sri KV Naveen Kiran in my journey of life. Lives of great men all remind us we can make our lives sublime and departing, leaving behind us footprints on the sands of time. Today, I am much privileged to share a few thoughts about the life and achievements of a great man who changed the course of history with his vision and strong determination. There are heroes and there are legends. Heroes get remembered, but legends never die. They are immortal. Such a legend is Sri C.V. Venkatrayappa, the founder chairman of Sri KV and PE Trust Chikbalapur. With love, affection, respect, and gratitude, people call him CVV. Sri CVV was born on 30th July 1915. As a student, he was hardworking and punctual. After his school education, he completed his graduation in the year 1940. Though he wanted to pursue his higher studies to become a lawyer, he was compelled to return without fulfilling it as his father wanted him back home. God had a different plan for this great man. He entered active politics by contesting election for the Municipal Council of Chikbalapur. This was his first victory in his political life, and people found their new leader a hero in Sri CVV. He lived up to their expectations and fulfilled their dreams. He served as the president of the Municipal Council Chikbalapur for 24 long years. That era was considered as the golden era of Chikbalapur. The people of Chikbalapur elected their loving son Sri CVV to represent them in the State Legislative Assembly in the year 1967 and 1972. In the year 1989, he was elected as MLA from Bagepalli constituency. Coming to his family life, he married Srimadi Kamalamma, who was the lady behind his success. They have three daughters, Srimadi Leela Devraj, Srimadi Geeta K. Murthy, and Srimadi Nirmala Prabhu. Since Sri CVV wanted a great person to accomplish the works initiated by him and to fulfill his dreams, he found his grandson Sri KV Naveen Kiran, an enthusiastic young man, as his successor. Two roads diverged in a wood, and he took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. When he could invest money in business to become a rich man, Sri CVV preferred to establish educational institutions to bring changes in the society that changed the lives of thousands of people. Sri CVV is the founder of KV and PE Trust, which changed the face of Chikbalapur and made it a center of education and learning. Under this trust, he established 18 educational institutions, which include KV College of Education, KV College of Physical Education, KVT Polytechnic, Sir M. V. Industrial Training Institute, Panchagiri Practicing High School, KV College of Pharmacy, Sri KV PU College, Sri KV English School ICSE, Sri KV Kannada, Sri KV Girls and Boys Hostel, Sri KV English School Fort, etc. He realized the importance of education in changing and developing the society. In this land of five hills and Sir M. Vishwesharaya, the name of CVV is deep rooted in the hearts of thousands of people. He not only established these institutions but also took care of both staff and students of the institutions. He treated them as his own family members. He started Trust Day celebrations 25 years ago. It enables all the people working under the trust to come together and exhibit their talents both in sports and cultural activities. He was always there with the words of appreciation for those who deserved it. Sri CVV guided and motivated them to achieve perfection in their respective fields. Today, we enjoy the shade because he planted a tree long time ago. On his 106th birthday on 30th July, let us promise to work hard, selflessly, and sincerely to fulfill the dreams of this great man. That will be the best and most suitable birthday gift we can give to the immortal man who still lives in the hearts of thousands of people.